Right, guys. So we're heading towards the end of this half term. We've been looking at phishing and social engineering, and I've come across a tool which I think you'd really enjoy playing with. And the tool allows us to do stuff like this. We can make emails that look like this. Yeah, somebody just logged in. Blah 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 blah. So I can get rid of that one. So that's a nice example. That's one that I made from Snapchat. This is one that I made from Instagram. And there's all sorts. And I thought it would be nice and educational, of course, if we could play about with this for a lesson. So what I need you to do, I need to go ahead and open Terminal. Once you've done that, it will look something like this. And we're going to need two tabs here. So shell, new tab, and you can have any color you want, okay? I've made them black and white just so it's easy for us to see. Now, what you're going to want to type after that is here, SSH at Kali at 10.101.1.9. And that's the IP address of my little Raspberry Pi box, which is sat in the corner of my classroom. So it doesn't matter what directory you're in, just go ahead and type that, and it will ask you for a password, and the password is Kali. Okay, so this is your password as well. When you've done that, you are now connected to my Raspberry Pi box. We can ls means list, and we can see all of the different directories that we've got, and I'm interested in what's in my documents directory. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to cd into that directory. I'm going to change directory into documents. There we go. Now ls. This is the application that I'm interested in, Fish Mailer. So I'm going to copy that, and again, change directory into there. Yeah. When I've done that, I'm going to ls, and I can see the files that I've got. Let me Command K to clear my screen, and ls again. Right, there's a lot of files here. We don't need to worry about a lot of them, but this is the bad boy that we are interested in. So I'm going to Command C that, and to run this, I need to type Python 3 fishmailer.py. Yeah. And when I've done that, I can press enter, and duck, and then we get this sort of screen here. Yeah. And now from here, I can create emails that look like all of these. Yeah. So I've done Instagram already. I've done Snapchat already. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at. Let's have a look at PayPal. You can pick any of them. I'm going to do PayPal. Okay, so PayPal 12. So enter the phishing URL. So now you're going to get some questions that are going to go into the email. So I don't have a phishing URL, but I'm going to make one. clickonme.com. Do you have an IP address? Let's use a pre-generated IP address. And I will, let's make the attack look like it's come from Japan. Okay, so number 2. Enter the name. Okay, so my name, and this is what? This is PayPal. Enter the name. Okay, so the same. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, all right, done. Now if we ls, we can see, we've got this HTML file and we've got this text file. Okay, now at the moment, these files are on my Raspberry Pi. So we need to get them onto this computer. So to do that, I need to copy this, and then I'm going to go to my other tab, and I need to type this. Okay, now it looks a bit daunting. SCP means secure file copy. Cali at 10.101.1.9 colon. Now this is the location of the file. I need to change this. David PayPal, and this is where it's going to go. Now I need this tilde. You can get this tilde by using Shift and the key next to the number 1. Yep, Shift and then the key next to number 1. And I'm going to put it in my documents folder, and I'm going to call it David PayPal.html. Okay, I need the password. Okay, and that has now copied from the Raspberry Pi to this computer here. Right, now, so I put that into my documents folder. Here it is. Let me move that again. And if I open it, what I see is this. Yeah, beautiful. An unknown device has tried to access from Japan because that's what we picked. Click here, and you can see down here, clickonme.com. Yeah. What we can do with this now, select everything, copy everything, and then what we can do, we can head over to our Outlook, we can make a new mail, action needed, connect your account now, and I'm just going to send this to myself. Yeah. So I just copied what we had, send that to myself. Wait a minute, I should get a notification. There we go. And this is the email that I have created. Now, there are some giveaways, yeah? If I click on this, it's not going to go anywhere because that's not a valid site. We can do that in another video, okay? There is a way that we can redirect to a site and then harvest their credentials. But this looks quite cool, yeah? And this looks very realistic. Action needed, protect your account. So I want you to have a play with this. Have a look at different templates and send your friend an email and send it to me if you want. Yeah, let's do that. Send me your phishing emails. Okay? Have fun with that. And maybe in the next lesson, we'll have a look at how to actually harvest some of these credentials as well. Good. Bye for now.